Okay, hello, Charlie Winkler. What is your role at the Old Bridge MUA?
Mike, since Old Bridge installed the SCADA system, I've been the primary operator of the SCADA, which stands for Supervisory Control Data Acquisition.
And I suppose that's that screen right there that we're looking at.
Right, this is an overview map of Old Bridge. It shows all of our pump stations. We have 35 pump stations all around Old Bridge, from Lower Old Bridge up to Madison Park, down to Lawrence Harbor. It's a large area with a lot of pump stations.
So how does the system work?
Mike, at each one of our stations we have sensors which transmit the signals back to this main station right here.
So this is the headquarters.
This is where everything, all the information comes right here, either cellular or radio, depending on the topography. But I get all the information right here.
What kind of information are you getting?
I would get alarms that either a pump failure, power failure, or any kind of alarm like that would come right back here, and I'd be able to dispatch the crew to take care of it.
Show me an example of what you look at when you can check these pump stations.
All right, let's go to Lawrence Harbor. This is our biggest pump station.
Now we're talking about collecting wastewater throughout the whole township,
yes,
so that we can convey that through those 35 pump stations to a place for wastewater treatment.
Right, yeah. Old Bridge doesn't treat anymore. We're just a collection system.
This is the wastewater, on the wastewater division side.
Right.
We don't treat.
We don't treat, we just collect it and we pump it down to Middlesex,
Yeah.
where they treat it. But
So what are we looking at here?
This is our main pump station. We have 3 pumps. We have a grinder, a chemical tank, and a odor control.
So on the top left, it's like a schematic of what this pump station is. What's on? I can see the one's green, so you must have one pump on.
Right, number 1 is on.
And you have odor control, and
Yep.
you have chemical addition. And below that, I see there's like a floor plan. And then to the right, there's the beginning of a chart. What is that for?
This chart right here is giving me the current level of the wet well. If I click on it, this is an expanded view of it. This is just showing me the level of the wet well and what pump is running at this moment.
Okay. Is there any way to know about alarms on this
Yes.
page?
Over here on the left is another couple of different icons. I can click on the alarm data grid, and this will tell me the current status of the Old Bridge Lawrence Harbor pump station. And right now, currently, there's no alarms on. Everything is good.
What are the type of alarms that you could see?
This system, we have about 10 different alarm parameters. Everything from a high wet well to a low wet well, the dry well flood, primary control failure, intrusion, utility failure, generator fault, low air. So everything right on down the line here.
So I see that you pretty much can see from here if there's any problems, and it's a pretty efficient way to operate, where you can send out repairmen, and they could bring the right equipment with them, because you can tell exactly what's wrong with the station and what has to be fixed.
Yes, in the past we used to send 2 crews out to check all our stations every day. It was 365. We check every station every day. But since we had the SCADA put in here, I can do it all right from here. I can check all our stations and dispatch the appropriate crew to take care of the problem.
Wow, that sounds like it saves a lot of money.
It sure does, Mike.
Okay. Thank you very much, Charlie.
No problem.